Welcome to the Daily Wisdom Resource for every day of this year. Presented by Dr. Leesi Mitee Bible Teaching Center. The Divine and Experiential Wisdom Principles for Successful Living. For day 6 of this month, are from Proverbs chapter 6. Practical application of Proverbs chapter 6. Proverbs chapter 6 offers several practical warnings that help us live wisely and avoid self-inflicted trouble. It covers financial caution, laziness, wicked behavior, adultery, sexual immorality, and the consequences of foolish decisions. The chapter begins by warning against making rash financial commitments, such as guaranteeing someone else's debt. It advises that if you've trapped yourself in such a deal, do everything you can to get out quickly. This teaches us to be wise and cautious with money, especially in making promises we may not be able to keep. Next, the lazy person is told to learn from the ant, an insect that works hard, prepares for the future, and needs no supervisor. Laziness leads to poverty and ruin. This shows the importance of diligence, planning, and personal responsibility in every area of life. The chapter also lists 7 things the Lord hates, including pride, lying, shedding innocent blood, plotting evil, rushing to do wrong, bearing false witness, and stirring up conflict. These are serious character faults that destroy lives and communities. Avoiding them is part of living wisely and righteously. Another strong warning is given against adultery, sexual immorality. Unlike earlier chapters that warned of sexual temptation, this one focuses on the severe consequences. Adultery leads to disgrace, jealousy, and sometimes violent revenge. A thief may be forgiven, but a person who commits adultery destroys themselves. In practical terms, Proverbs chapter 6 teaches us to 1. Be careful with financial promises and avoid foolish guarantees. 2. Work hard, be self-motivated, and prepare for the future. 3. Avoid proud, dishonest, and harmful behavior that God detests. 4. Stay far from sexual sin, sexual immorality, and respect the sacredness of marriage. 5. Recognize that sinful choices bring pain, shame, reproach, scandal, and lasting damage. Proverbs chapter 6 reminds us that wise living means taking responsibility for our actions, avoiding dangerous shortcuts, and walking in integrity before God and before people. Now, listen to the full text of Proverbs chapter 6. My son, if you have become collateral for your neighbor, if you have struck your hands in pledge for a stranger, you are trapped by the words of your mouth. You are ensnared with the words of your mouth. Do this now, my son, and deliver yourself, since you have come into the hand of your neighbor. Go, humble yourself. Press your plea with your neighbor. Give no sleep to your eyes, nor slumber to your eyelids. Free yourself, like a gazelle from the hand of the hunter, like a bird from the snare of the fowler. Go to the ant, you sluggard, consider her ways, and be wise. Which having no chief, overseer, or ruler, provides her bread in the summer, and gathers her food in the harvest. How long will you sleep, sluggard? When will you arise out of your sleep? A little sleep, a little slumber, a little folding of the hands to sleep. So your poverty will come as a robber, and your scarcity as an armed man. A worthless person, a man of iniquity, is he who walks with a perverse mouth, who winks with his eyes, who signals with his feet, who motions with his fingers. in whose heart is perverseness, who devises evil continually, who always sows discord. Therefore his calamity will come suddenly. He will be broken suddenly, and that without remedy. There are 6 things which the Lord hates. Yes, 7 which are an abomination to him. Arrogant eyes, a lying tongue, hands that shed innocent blood, a heart that devises wicked schemes, feet that are swift in running to mischief, a false witness who utters lies, and he who sows discord among brothers. My son, keep your father's commandment, and don't forsake your mother's teaching. Bind them continually on your heart. Tie them around your neck. When you walk, it will lead you. When you sleep, it will watch over you. When you awake, it will talk with you. For the commandment is a lamp, and the law is light. Reproofs of instruction are the way of life. To keep you from the immoral woman, from the flattery of the wayward wife's tongue. Don't lust after her beauty in your heart, neither let her captivate you with her eyelids. For a prostitute reduces you to a piece of bread. The adulteress hunts for your precious life. Can a man scoop fire into his lap, and his clothes not be burned? Or can one walk on hot coals, and his feet not be scorched? So is he who goes into his neighbor's wife. Whoever touches her will not be unpunished. Men don't despise a thief if he steals to satisfy himself when he is hungry. But if he is found, he shall restore 7 times. He shall give all the wealth of his house. He who commits adultery with a woman is void of understanding. He who does it destroys his own soul. He will get wounds and dishonor. His reproach will not be wiped away. For jealousy arouses the fury of the husband. He won't spare in the day of vengeance. He won't regard any ransom, neither will he rest content, though you give many gifts.